Alright guys, so we're back, and let me show you the final configuration for this thing, and we'll test it out one more time to see and make sure that it works the way it should. So I ended up giving this a little bit more give here, since this chain is so short. The clip is in there, this is tied. I had this on the other side, but now I put it this way, and now it seems to do what it's supposed to. You can flush it, and then we'll just wait. And I think it's good to go. And if it is good to go, I will say that this actually is universal and is a good product, and probably it's on the expensive side, but it's worth it. Yeah, there you go. It does the job. It does the job, guys. There you go. Fix the toilet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.